This is why you need to stop believing everything you hear about Amazon animals. Myth number 1, piranhas will eat you alive. Nope. These fish prefer smaller prey like insects and other fish. Humans are way too much effort. Myth number 2, anacondas crush their prey to death. Actually, they suffocate it by constriction. Still terrifying, but let's get the facts straight. Myth number 3, poison dart frogs are deadly to touch. Only wild ones have toxins from their diet. Captive bred frogs, harmless. And finally, myth number 4, sloths are lazy. They're energy efficient. Moving slow helps them conserve energy, so there you have it. The Amazon is full of wonders, not just wild tales. Subscribe for more cool animal facts.